Alright, I'm making a video on how to remove the captain chairs from a 2003 to 2006 Lincoln Navigator, second row seats. I was searching all over the internet and on the forums. No one has mentioned how to do it. I think it's because it's kind of obvious, but hey, sometimes it's good to just see how it works. So anyway, yeah, so I got this nice Navigator for the most part that it was it's running good, but it's kind of been neglected and they had kids and it's just nasty. So what I'm going to do is I was going to take out all the seats. Can't wait till I took out the driver's seat. I was going to take out all the seats and you know, deep clean the carpet, that way and get all the nooks and crannies on this disgusting crap that's all over. So yeah, so this is what it looks like when it's removed. As you can see, there's 4 holes here. So 4 bolts are holding that down, and it's 15 millimeters. I don't know. I mostly have European and Japanese cars, so I just have a metric set. So whatever the SE equivalent of it is, but 15 millimeter work for me. So get a 15 millimeter socket and a flathead screwdriver. That's all you need. So this is how it works. Okay. First, I recommend removing the headrest because we're gonna be folding this down. Okay. And then you lift up, actually, don't lift it up. So if you look here, you see that there's these little tabs here. See that? You got to pull this tab out, and that allows this thing to slide out. And there's like and that's basically covering the bolt holes. So let's see if I can do it with the one hand, holding the camera. There it is. If you do that, it actually pulls. There's the tab. There's a tab right there in the middle, but kind of there it is. So there's that tab right there. But yeah, it kind of slides out that way, and you can see it's covering up the 250 millimeter bolts. How disgusting that is. So I'll do the same thing on the other side. All right, so after that, you want to flip this up. And you want to hit the other 2 bolts back here. All right, since I have access to it, I'm just going to use my impact. You might want to stabilize that. Anyway, all right. There you go. 4 bolts, 4 holes. Lift that thing up and get it out of there. That's how you do it. And then people who are wondering about swapping this middle console for a, 20% middle seat. It's supposed to be 40, 20, 40. Some Navigators came with that option of having this sort of bench seating. Supposedly, there's the screws here. It's all made for it. You're gonna have to cut your carpet, and you're gonna have this big gaping hole where the console was. But there's a 7th hole. Supposedly, there's a hole that's covered with a grommet that you're gonna need to tap out for the 7th bolt. But I guess I'll do that once I can source a middle leather seat to put in here. I've seen some Navigators, you know, from this era selling with the 3 rows, which is nice because then you make it a 8-passenger SUV versus a 7. But actually my plan now is the console, I think I want to leave it out so it's easier for people to access the back seat without flipping up the seats. You just walk here and then down this way. So that's my plan. Anyway, that's what it looks like. Again, like I said, I'm removing all the seats so I can clean this filthy stuff. Didn't find any coins in this one. The front seat had about $1.25 worth of change. So a little cash rebate for my car. All right, that's it.